Click on Media Generator tab and search for legacy text. If you don't have legacy text, click on Options, Preferences and Deprecated Features. Click on Enable Legacy Text, then click OK. Now, drag down the transparent text preset above the video clip. Here inside Text panel, you can change your desired text size and font. After that, click on Properties. There is a background color menu for changing the background colors. I am going to set it to the color white. Now click on Event Pan Crop to animate the text. Before zooming in, don't forget to lock the aspect ratio. Now at the end of the timeline, set the crop to default. That's about it. If you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe. I will see you on my next video.